Guys, this is Kitty Pie 123 here with some Flappy Bird. Let's see how it goes. Oh, I remember this game. It's so awesome. I hate this game. Nah, I'm just kidding. Nah, but it does put you in a lot of stress to win this awesome game. Stupid bird. Okay. I got this. I got this. I got this. I got this. Why does this game hate me? It totally hates me. No! Okay, let's try one last time before I end up pulling my hair out again. Oh my god! How did I... How did I... Oh, I suck.
That means it's over. Tomorrow.
Why does this game hate me? Stupid bird! Yeah, I'm talking to you, bird. Yeah, you stupid bird. Okay.
I like the voice.